Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be moving. Yo, chill! You know, this place has been great to me. It was really fun, really cool. I stayed inside most of the time. And I'm just trying to change that. I feel like a lot of great things are gonna happen, and you know, it's gonna turn out for your boy. With that being said, it's time to start packing stuff up. This is all I got for the move, I'm not gonna lie. Got this box and then a couple boxes here. I think that should fit everything, because for the most part, all these things over here, I'm probably gonna get rid of. I'm gonna put on some music, vibe out, and clean. All the boxes made up. Now I'm not sure exactly what the best way would be to pack. Some of the things I have, like there's like glass items and like frames and stuff like that, I'll probably keep those separate, and anything like books, other items, I'll just cram them in one box, label it something, and move on. Let's start doing stuff. All right, I am super tired. It's about 7 o'clock. I haven't really gotten much done, to be honest. Like, I just cleared this area. I have some more boxes back there, and like I'm starting to do my bedroom a bit. I've done the main things, but it's like, damn, there's a lot to move. It's 7 a.m. We're up in the AMs. We're in Moss Park to pick up the U-Haul. If you don't know, Moss Park's a little bit ratchet, but it's looking kind of calm right now. All right, so I just got the U-Haul. I don't even know how to drive this bit. All right, so we picked up the U-Haul, brought it back to the building, but somebody parked right in front of the moving elevator, so we're waiting for them to move their car so we can back up the U-Haul. Until then, we're just gonna start moving some boxes. To be honest, my packing strategy is not the best. Huh? I'm gonna need a hand. We're gonna make it work. I am sweating like crazy, super hot. The guy still hasn't moved his car. It is what it is. So we got going on right now, we got my chair, a couple boxes. Really in the back of this moving truck. There's lights, so I guess we just sit and hopefully nothing impales me. So we're finally moving. We got both the units right over here. I was initially gonna sit in the back, but we gotta take some more stuff, so I initially had a cover on this mattress, but it came off while we were moving in the U-Haul. Then my friend proceeded to drag it on the floor of the U-Haul, in the moving elevator, and in the garage area. So it got pretty dirty. This is kind of like a visual representation. So I will be getting a new mattress. All right, so as you can see, we got the place empty for the most part. I just gotta break that down. And then like a desk in there. The rest of the stuff I'm gonna sell or get rid of. I'm like, you know what, let me just get a meal down, because I have not eaten this whole morning. All I had was caffeine gum and a couple water bottles, that's all. So I broke down the shelf that was over there, and these are the delicate items I'm gonna transport, and these are the rest of the things I need to take as well. The only thing that really pissed me off about this building, besides it being kind of dirty, like on the outside, like, you know, the hallways and all that, is this thing right here. 24 degrees inside when it's supposed to be 18. It is so tiring moving. Next time I gotta hire like a whole team. Like, I'm calling all my boys, all my friends, all my family. I'm gonna just sit back and watch them work, because yeah, this ain't for me, bro. All these notifications are for the IKEA Alex drawers. Let's go, guys. We just made a sale. I just sold the IKEA drawers that were over here to a really nice Asian lady. Shout out to her. $10 more. I literally carried it all the way to her apartment, bro. And I took the long way too, because she couldn't explain where she lived. Look at the perspiration on my forehead. I'm sweating. Yeah, I definitely gotta take a shower now. Okay, so I'm by myself in the condo, as you can see, solo dolo. About to go to sleep, just dropped off some stuff at the other spot. Gonna take the TV tomorrow, some boxes back there to take everything else, clean up the place, and then I'm no longer gonna live here, which is crazy. The thing I'm gonna miss the most is definitely that view. See all the financial district over there, the CN Tower. You also got the Gardner over here. Man, I look like shit. That sleep was not good at all. These ear mattresses suck. My back hurts, my neck hurts. Okay, just want to give a little update before I start cleaning up everything. I moved mostly everything out of the old apartment. We did one U-Haul trip and then my friend had to go. Then I did one that night and I did two so far today. The other apartment's pretty clean for the most part. This move has been traumatizing. I really had to fight some demons on this move. If you ever are gonna move in your life, call as many people as you can or hire professionals, because that was crazy. I thought I could do it all myself and it wasn't that hard. So I already started like organizing stuff by myself. As you can see, I got my couch. Like this whole couch needs to be cleaned. We just got our first casualty of the move. I was literally moving this whole shelf. I know that's like not the smartest idea. It was like wobbling for some reason. I grabbed like this base part and then it just flew off the top. All right, I'm back to the OG condo, cleaned it all up. The echo sounds so weird. Honestly, I'm glad to be gone. AC sucks at working. Great time, fun time here, but you know, my desk used to be here, empty. Kitchen empty. All the nice stuff that used to be here empty. Couch is gone. You know, we used to viewing though. Look at that CN Tower right over there. Thank God for what's coming next, but stressful as hell, but we got it done, man. So this is the end of this chapter. It's been fun, but on to bigger, better things.